it. Good job, buddy. It's a good one, huh? It's a big fish. Reel him in. Reel it. Reel it. You gotta reel the reel like this. There you go. Reel it.
He's got it. He knows.
Look at that fish. Look at it. Bring it over here. I'll grab it. Bring it up here. Come on. Bring it here. Another good one. Good job, buddy. Look at that.
Another one?
Look at that. That's a good fish, huh?
Another one?
Yeah.
I got lots of ones.
How many is that?
How many did you catch?
Put it back in the water. I just...
You gotta hold him. You wanna hold him?
No, it's just here.
No, you wanna hold him.
Why don't...
Hey, look.
Okay, let's show the camera that one, Clint. A 4-year-old's kicking our butt today. That is a good one.
Heck yeah. Look, Isaiah, you wanna hold this one? Look. Isaiah, you wanna hold it like this? Here. Isaiah.
Look,
Look.
I don't go.
You want to hold it?
What you got? I
Here.
know. Look.
We have a new one.
Look. That's it. Look, it's right there. Here, you wanna hold it? Put your hands out like this and you can hold it. Okay? Like that.